Hi guys, in this video, I will show you how to schedule a YouTube video upload using your laptop or your PC. Just keep on watching this video and let's get started. So first, go to youtube.com. Make sure your account is logged in here. Then click your profile here. Then click your channel. Then right here, click create a video or post. Then select upload video. So right here, select the file you want to upload. For example, this one. Let's just wait for it. Just click visibility here. So let's just answer this one. Click visibility. Then right here, you will see the schedule. Click schedule. So right here, you can now schedule the video to upload. For example, I want to upload my video on this date and on this time. Because on this time, my viewers are active. So I will just select this one. For example, this one. Then I will just click schedule. So now, my video will be set to public on September 21, 2020 at 6 a.m. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day!